Hello students, welcome back. Today the day is 10 and we will be learning lesson number 19. So here comes the second slide which shows spoken tutorial, assignment and test. So let's start with lesson number 19, simple present, category 1 and 2 and simple past. Let's start with simple present tense. Do you know where to use simple present tense and how to use it correctly? In this lesson, I am going to teach you uses of tense help to avoid common mistake that many people make with it. So, let's start. Simple present tense. यह simple शब्द से बना है. But how much it is difficult tense? You know. Let us see. Complete with a short two-line of poem. Simple present tense and simple past tense. यह दो काल करे बुरा हाल. A simple formula of simple present tense. Subject plus verb first form plus object. इस टेंस में verb के end में कभी s लगता है, कभी s नहीं लगता है. See the meaning of simple present tense. The simple present tense is what which is happening continuously in a present. That is known as simple present tense. For an example, weekly, monthly, yeah, every day. Here is some of example. I go to school every day. That means it's a simple present tense which is occurring daily and it is happening in a present. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is used to talk about action which is happen on daily basis. For an example, I am 19 years old. He lives in London. I am a student. So here somewhere I have put s at the end and somewhere I have not put s in the end. As I said, इस टेंस में वर्ब के एंड में कभी s लगता है, कभी s नहीं लगता है. I और you को छोड़कर. जैसे I am 19 years old. I have put S at the time of years. He lives in London. He lives. I am a student. Here I have not put S because I and you के इसमें S नहीं लगता. Here are some form of simple present tense. Affirmative, negative and interrogative. Affirmative means positive. Negative means you know very well. And interrogative means question mark. Let us see. He plays. This is a positive sentence. Negative. He does not play. An interrogative to ask a question. Does he play? Same. I play. It is a simple and positive. I play. I am playing now. Negative. I don't play. I am turning my sentences. I am not playing. I don't play. Interrogative. Do I play or do you play? So asking a question. Here are some grammar structure for you to understand better of form of simple present tense. Affirmative, negative and interrogative. I live. Negative, I don't live. Interrogative, do I live? Next, affirmative. You live. You don't live. Do you live? He lives. Lives. He lives. He does not leave. Does he leave? She leaves. See, at the time of I, you, I have not put S at the end. Same as per at the time of he, she, it, I have put S. So at the same time, we put S at the end of some word and we does not put S at the sum of end of verb. So here are some grammar structure or examples of affirmative, negative and interrogative. So let's see category 1 is, am and are. Simple present form of be verb. So before starting with the be verb, we'll start with simple kind of information. Singular subject always connected with s and plural subject में s नहीं जुड़ा जाता है. For an example, singular subject has included he, she, it, Ram, a boy, a girl. वर्ब के फर्स्ट फॉर्म में s जोड़ा जाता है, बट इन प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट as I, you, we, they, girl, boy, वर्ब के फॉर्म में s नहीं जोड़ा जाता है. I is singular, but you as counted as singular as well as plural. As it is mentioned in the slide, is, am, and are a simple present form of the verb to be. They are used to describe the state, feeling, or condition that something or someone is in. For an example, he is impatient. She is talented. I am the manager of this restaurant. They are not here. The Americans are fond of their hamburgers. For an example, he, she is a singular. They are plural. I is plural. So these are some examples of category 1, is, am, and are. Let's continue with the singular, plural, and is, am, and are. As I said, the example of singular and plural. Let's see. Varies with the whether the subject is plural or singular, and also the person of the noun or pronoun. Am is used with the first person singular, that is, I am so and so person. Is used with the third person singular. He is Ram, she is Radha, she is Manisha's sister. So is used in the third person. She is a girl, he is a boy. Are is used with the third plural. They are Indians. They are mad. Indians are great. So, am, is, and are. Am is singular, which is used for the first person. Am I mad? Am I horrible? Am I terrible? Is used with the third person singular, and are is used with the third person plural. So let's see some of the example of is, am, and are. The forms to be present in a simple tense. I have kept a long form, short form, and an example. That is a sentence formation. I am. I am late. You are clever. He is happy. She is hungry. It is cold. So some of these examples have been formed as a sentences. You can write in a long form as well as you can show it in a short form. Let's move further to category 2, that is has and have. So has and have, third person singular subject के साथ has. If I have to make an affirmative sentence, that is positive sentence, so I can make he has a pen, that is positive. Now same sentence you have to convert into negative. He does not have pen. Same, other than singular subject we can add have. And if I want to make have affirmative sentence, I have a pen. And that sentence, if I want to convert in negative, I don't have a pen. So here, has and have a slightly difference. Have is used with I, you, and we, and they, while has is used with he, she, and it. With that, we have seen what was the use of is, are, am. If that words I have to convert into negative, I can convert as I am not, are not, is not. But here, has and have cannot be converted as has not, have not, no. Here, has will be converted as does not have, and how and have will be converted as do not have. So let's see some further example of has and have. See, here it is mentioned. Have is used with some pronoun and plural nouns, and has is used with the third person singular. For example, I have a great English teacher. She has a great personality. You have toothpaste on your chin. He has a new haircut. We have a meeting at 12. The washing machine has a leak. As I said, has is used by he, she, the, it, and have is used by I, you, we, they. This is a simple example of has and have. So here we completed our simple present tense category 1 and 2. So let us start with the simple past category 1. Before starting with the category 1, let us know what is simple past tense. The simple past tense is used to indicate a finished or completed action or task happen at a specific point. मतलब simple past tense ये बोलते हैं और ये कहते हैं कि आपका कुछ एक्टिविटी हो चुका है at certain period of time. For an example, Ajay went to Mexico last year. वो last year जाके आया है. So that will be known as simple past tense. I ate a mango few minutes ago. अब 5-10 मिनट पहले ही मैंने मैंगो खा लिया था. तो I ate a mango. That is known as simple past tense. He had an exam yesterday. उसका कल एग्जाम था. तो that is past. कल उसका एग्जाम होगा. That is future. So simple past tense indicate your completed action or your finished work at a specific point. कुछ तो काम कभी तो कुछ समय पे हुआ था. That is known as simple past tense. So coming up to our next slide, we can see a image of simple past tense. Past of simple be. So there are four persons standing on an arrow. On left hand side we can see past, in middle we can see present, and in right hand side we can see future. Now, in category 1, we have to use the word was and were. If I want to indicate a past, मुझे point out करना है जो काम हो चुका है, तो उसके लिए what should I use? He was short. That means वो पहले height में short था. तो he was short. So that was a past. Now, he is tall. That is a present. And future is question mark. Because here we are concentrating on simple present and simple past. So next is where to use was and where. You should know where and which cases you should need or use was and where auxiliary verb. To use this verb correctly, you can use was and where when you're talking about an event that happened in the past. For an example, she was in England last year, or they were really busy. Or else, you can use this form when you're talking about a past status or when you're talking about past tense. He was the manager of that company. So here comes simple past tense with to be. The verb to be am, is, are has two forms in the past, was and were. In this table, we can see present and past. Am, is has a past form was, are has a past form were. For an example, he is tall. What will the past? He was short. Are they are mad? They were good. So here I have converted am is into past as a form of was, and are I have converted as a were as a past form verb. Here is some subject and to be of simple past tense. I was. You were. He was. She was. It was. We were. You were. For an example, I was. So in present, was is replaced by am or is. I am short. I was tall. You are mad. You were mad. He is cute. He was cute. She is sweet. She was sweet. It is nice. It was nice. We are intelligent. We were intelligent. You are mad. You were mad. So here, am, is, are. I have been replaced with to be, was, and were. I hope I have clear with this subject and to be, and you have understood with the simple example. So here is the last slide of lesson number 19. Simple present category 1 is, am, are versus simple past I, was, and were. Singular present, singular past, plural present, and plural past. So let us take one-on-one example. I am first person. This is my present. Now what will be the past? As I said, am can be replaced by a past form was. So I was a first person. Plural present. We are first person. Plural past. Now I have used are. So are past form is were. We were first person. I hope you are understanding. Next, you are second person. So are can be replaced by a past form is were. You were second person. Again, where can be replaced by a present form is you are second person. Again, plural past if I do, you were second person. Singular present. Next, third one example. He is or she is, it is third person. So, is replaced by was. He was third person, she was third person, it was third person. They are because is, was, are. They are third person. Are is replaced. They were third person. I hope I have clear with all basic of simple present. Category 1 is, am, are. Category 2 has, have, and simple past. Category 1 was, were. We know now where to use and how to use category 1 and 2 of simple present and category 1 of simple past. So here we end up with our lesson number 19, simple present and simple past. So after completing all the slides of lesson number 19, I request you to go for assignment link, click on the assignment link, complete your assignment, check your work, how much you have got to learn, how much you have understood, and then you can appear for test. I hope I am clear with all the slides which I have mentioned. Thank you. All the best.